Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. We have 5 different missions that follow the exact same point system, so we're going to look at all 5 of these at once. We have the temperature, humidity, pressure, sound, and light. For each of these, the Hello World version, you get 2 points each for collecting that specific data and just reporting it from anywhere on the surface of Mars. If you go to the intermediate pointing system, you're going to get 1 point each for reporting those values, but at specific areas on the map. And that map will be on our website and in future videos for you to be able to figure out where you need to go. Finally, using the submitted values from those 4 specific locations for our Brilliant section of points, if you can take the 4 previously submitted values and calculate the highest, the lowest, and the average of those values, you get an additional 1 point per each of those. So this gives a total of 9 points for each of these missions, and there's 5 of them in total. For more information on the other missions, please refer to our future videos.